Binibigyan tayo ng Diyos ng lakas upang maakyat natin. Ano po? He makes my feet like the feet of a deer. Enables me to tread on the heights. He promises strength, stability, so that we climb our mountain. The deer is a sure-footed and able to stand securely on steep heights. And nakita po natin, ano po? God enables His people. He enables you to stand firm amid difficult circumstances. Alam po ninyo, kung minsan naisip natin, kung agiwam, potse, makanyan, nasasabi tayo. Pero pag dumating yon, kaya mo. Dahil kasama mo ang Diyos. Amen? Naisip natin, pag ganito, hindi ko kaya ito. Pero dumating yon, yung kinatatakutan mo, dumating. Pero, nakayanan mo dahil kasama mo ang Diyos. Amen.